How to fix RAIDOU Remastered, the mystery of the Soulless Army crashing on Steam or keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to click on your library and then right click on the game, go to Properties, Installed Files, and then click on Verify the integrity of game files and wait for it. Now once this is done, you want to click on the Browse button and then right click on the game's exe file, go to Properties, Compatibility tab, and then make sure both of these options are checked. Click on Apply, then press OK and close this window. Now you want to go to General tab and specify -DX11 right here in the launch options. Then you want to close this window and try to play the game to see if that solves the crash issue. Now if it still persists, you want to open your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to drivers section and make sure you download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you install it, you will need to restart your system. And then you will need to restart Steam as administrator. So you basically right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you want to play the game or launch the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.